Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon, Ka. So,
Oh,
you got it hard to just enter the link or join the link?
yeah, yeah, teacher. And my Zoom เอ่อเอ่ออะไรนะไอห้องเรียนมันหายไปหมดเลย teacher
Oh
in in
yeah,
in
about
my yeah in my Zoom app
oh, maybe you need to just update the application, Zoom application.
yeah
Yeah,
and
and restart.
because I save your address link
Yeah,
on
my
my
link.
on my Zoom and every time I I
Just click
give
it.
yeah
Yeah, just click it, and you can just enter the
yeah
link.
yeah and now I don't I haven't seen everything in my Zoom app
Oh,
yeah
maybe you need to just check the update first. Okay, check
mm,
the updates because I usually use the same link. Yeah,
yeah
if you have class with me. And first you need to check the update of Zoom application, and second you might need to just restart your device.
yeah
Yeah,
and
sometimes
this morning my iPad my iPad didn't
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 work.
didn't connect my Wi-Fi in
Oh
my
yeah.
house yeah yeah
Oh,
and it it happened about Wi-Fi มันมันเข้าออกอยู่เนี่ยที่เชื่อแล้วก็มันกระพริบอยู่เนี่ย
oh, it's on and off. Yeah, maybe
yeah
because the connection was not stable. Yeah, or you can say the connection was unstable.
the connection was unstable
Yeah, if you I have that a lot. If you have that situation, if that happens again, make sure that you restart the router.
I think
Yeah.
it's happened about uh iPad OS update 20
Oh,
26.5 point
like a
yeah
version, so like a
yeah yeah
version
yeah
of the
yeah
iPad.
because I search on Google search this morning and uh
What
e-
did it say? What did it
every
say?
everyone say about iPad OS 26.5.2
Oh.
it is happened about connection
Oh, you might.
fail
Yeah.
uh
So what did they suggest you to do? Like, did they
no
suggest you to
teacher
try restarting?
nay teacher they uh th- uh they was with they were waiting about uh service of uh Apple
The Apple company, yeah.
the Apple company yeah
So you guys have to wait. The people around the world who use Apple or iPad have
yeah
to wait for the
yeah
result or the consequence.
I think about iPad
Oh, only iPad.
only iPad teacher
Oh, so the people around the world who use iPad have to wait for the result, right? Or the solution, right?
yeah teacher
Oh, okay.
yeah
Sounds so big. Yeah, maybe it's not personal. It's not a personal problem or issue. Yeah,
yeah
it's like a worldwide or global issue. Yeah,
yeah
because
teacher
many people around the world just use the iPad. Yeah.
yeah
Yeah, all right, I got it. And I just want you to make sure to always get the Zoom application updated too.
Hmm?
Yeah, right. And
teacher
also, yeah, what happened?
uh I it happened about my connection is really อะมันมันเหล็กอะ teacher
Oh, lag. Your connection
yeah
is getting slower.
yeah getting slow and lag
Oh, okay. Did you try restarting? Did you try restarting the iPad or maybe the router?
yeah I learned through iPad
Yeah. Yeah, okay. So you're on iPad now?
yeah
Mm. But can you hear me clearly?
no teacher it lag every time
Yeah?
yeah
Did you try restarting it?
yeah uh
You want to try
um
restarting it again?
teacher, I will stop and
Rejoin the link. Yeah, you
teacher. It's
rejoin. Yeah,
one more.
yeah. Okay. I'll be here. Okay.
Okay, I'm back. I'm back, teacher.
Welcome back. All right, Kakugiti. So now
Oh,
you can
it's
hear me clearly. It's better.
no, teacher. It's the connection. Maybe the connection is unstable.
Yeah, the connection. You mean from
Yeah,
your Wi-Fi, right? Or from the iPad?
yeah,
Yeah. You can check the router again.
yeah. Because teacher, uh, in Wi-Fi. Oh, this morning, I have reset uh reset Wi-Fi.
Oh, you restart it?
Uh,
Yeah.
on Wi-Fi.
Yeah. So yeah.
Yeah,
So
and I can connect Wi-Fi in my office. Now
oh.
now I connect with my I connect Wi-Fi with my phone.
Oh, okay, that's why. Okay, I got it.
Mm.
So you're not using Wi-Fi at the moment, so that's why like the connection is not stable
It's not as unstable.
because it's the connection or you got the signal or the connection from the phone, right?
Yeah. Teacher,
So that's why
teacher,
the signal is kind of weak.
teacher, teacher.
Yeah.
Then teacher.
Yeah.
I will join you through my
Yeah, you
my
better use
phone
the phone.
to
You
another
better use
phone.
the phone. Sure, okay. You can join. Yeah, you can use. Okay, let me just admit
Yeah.
you in. Let you in. Okay. I already let you in. Yeah. So
Okay,
there
teacher.
are two Kun Giti now. Yeah. And you can
Teacher, teacher, I will leave for my iPad.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, right. Okay, now I got one Kun Giti already.
Oh, oh, it
Yeah, it's
it's
okay
better.
now.
Teacher, it's better.
It's better, much better. Maybe there's
Yeah.
something wrong with the iPad as you mentioned.
Yeah. Some I think like
Something
it's
wrong with the iPad. Yeah.
teacher. I think so.
Right, yeah. Or maybe the Wi-Fi router, the connection is unstable. But when it comes to learning from the phone, it's better, much better, right?
Yeah, teacher.
Yeah, because, yeah. All right. Glad to hear that you can fix the problem. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
So tell me, Kungiti, what time did you get out of bed this morning and what did you do this morning?
This morning, I
Mm.
got our base at 6 teacher, and after
Yeah,
that,
as usual. Yeah.
I take a shower and came down to first floor uh to work at
Yeah,
home.
okay. All right, okay. Yeah, because you just work from home. You've been working from home since morning?
Yeah, teacher. I work from home until 9 a.m. I have
Oh,
I have meeting with my new client at the
yeah.
at the Amazon cafe.
Oh, okay. You just like had a meeting with a new client at Amazon Cafe, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And what's your plan this afternoon? What are you up to this afternoon? So after the
Uh,
class, what you gonna do? So you have
yeah,
still
yeah.
have lots of work to
Mm,
handle.
yeah, teacher. Now I have a lot of work to clear
Yeah,
out.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. You have to
and
clear off all the work. Yeah.
yeah, teacher.
So your hands are full of work.
Yeah.
Yeah, and responsibilities. Okay. And then have you have you got an opportunity or have you got some time to just go out for jogging or maybe like doing some jogging on the treadmill?
Oh, the treadmill, teacher.
Oh, basically on the
Last
treadmill now, like indoor.
last yeah, last time I went jogging
You
on
went
treadmill.
jogging on the
Yeah,
tread.
yeah.
Oh, you just
On Monday evening.
so you just did some jogging on the treadmill.
Treadmill,
Yeah.
teacher.
And how about today? You plan to work out?
Yeah, teacher.
Yeah.
Uh,
This evening,
well,
right? On the treadmill?
yeah. On treadmill. Yeah, because yesterday I have a lot of work to do in the evening. Uh,
Mm,
mm, and I think I
today. You got to go
today
back to the
I
treadmill.
yeah, teacher.
Yeah. So, do you usually like only walk, jog, or run on a treadmill
Uh, for the 5
for
minutes
the first
uh
5 minutes?
for the first 5 minutes
You just
I
walk,
will
walk.
fast walk đơn
Oh,
đều
really?
fast walk.
I think that I thought that you just do like a slow walk from the beginning for the first 5 minutes, and then you just
Yeah
enhance the speed. Oh no, but do the fast walk first. You
fast walk
start with the
for
fast walk is
fast
dangerous.
fast walk 5 minutes and
Uh,
after that I will jogging I will jog
and then
uh
you jog a little bit
I will jog
for about
about
15,
20
20 minutes.
25 to 30 minutes and
25. You got a
and
plan,
to
right? You got a plan.
and
Yeah.
up
After that,
after that in the end I will
run.
fast walk about
Oh,
10 minutes.
you just switching, right? Like a
Yeah
walk, jog, walk, right?
yeah
Yeah.
teacher.
Yeah, because it's help with your heart as well. Your heart will function better.
Yeah
Yeah. Uh, but you don't usually run on the treadmill, no? You
yeah
don't usually run on the treadmill. Do you ever run sometimes on a treadmill? Like run, really run.
yeah I run about uh uh seven
To 10 minutes?
7.3 7.5 uh uh minute to per kilometer
Oh,
7.7 นาทีครึ่งต่อกิโล
oh, okay. So you sometimes run on a treadmill for about like 7 minutes. Let's say 7:30 minutes.
yeah 7.30
Yeah, 7.30 minutes. Like
per kilo
oh yeah,
per
yeah,
kilometer
for a kilometer.
yeah
Kilometer.
yeah
Oh, so you got a plan. So you got a plan to work out, right?
yeah teacher
Yeah, okay. You just don't only walk, run, walk, no, but you have a plan, right?
yeah
Plan to work out, yeah.
I will swap between
Swap.
walk and jog
Yeah, you swap between jogging and walking and
jogging and
sometimes
walking
running too.
yeah
Yeah. I could do running. I mean, I could run for only never last until 5 minutes. I never last 5 minutes. Like I always like run less than 5 minutes because I get easily tired. Yeah, the last time I did the gym, I just went uh to the gym in my clubhouse and I tried running. I mean I only like did it like only 4 minutes. Not
Mm.
more than that, not longer than that because I get easily tired. My heart be like,
Yes, teacher,
yeah.
for the first time, teacher, for the first time when I go jogging,
when I went
I
jogging.
feel very tired.
Yeah,
Yeah,
like
after that, when I have when I have jogging every day,
so you
uh,
get used
I
to it. Your body
I
get
feel
used to it.
yeah I feel
Yeah, you feel fresh and you become
fresh.
less tired, right? You
Yeah,
become
teacher.
less tired
Yeah.
because it's good for, like exercising your heart, like
Yeah,
to get your heart like exercise regularly.
yeah.
So yeah, right. But like if you just do something for the first time, especially like working out or exercising, like for the first time, your heart just keep up beating fast
Yeah,
and you become easily tired.
yeah,
You get easily tired. But if you do it every day, like try to get used to it, like your heart just keep working like regularly, like
yeah,
proper rate, so you become less tired.
yeah.
Yeah. So how often do you think you should work on the treadmill? Work out on a treadmill. So how
A
often do you
few
plan to do that?
a few time per week, teacher.
Yeah, a few times a week. Is
Yeah,
it?
a few time a week.
Yeah, you try to do that like work out on a treadmill, right? Like a few times a week. Yeah,
And
that's good. Yeah. And any other
yeah,
kinds of
and
exercise you do?
uh, I I think I will have a bar, teacher.
Oh, okay.
For yeah.
Yeah, you can just
For for
okay.
for 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 me and
You
my
gotta
son.
exercise your hands and shoulder with the bar,
เขาเรียกอะไรteacher?
hanging
Bar.
the bar. Yeah, bar. Yeah, you said the weight.
Bar.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah. To get your shoulder and hands, and
yeah.
arms. Yeah,
For
exercise
for me
to enhance
and
your
my
muscles, right?
and my son like to extend your height his height ความสูงของเขา
His height.
his height
Oh, he tried to extend his height through like hanging on the bar, right?
yeah
Yeah. Oh, this is how to. Oh,
for
this
my
is
son
really help. Yeah.
mm,
Oh, it really helps to extend his height. It really helps. Yeah.
yeah a bit
Wow. Yeah.
I think
That's good.
yeah
That's good. Yeah, that's
uh,
good. That's good.
and
Yeah.
my son like to extend his height
Height.
his height
His height.
his height
Mm-hmm. Oh,
uh,
okay. I see. How tall is he now? How tall is he now?
uh, yeah
Yeah, how tall is
how
he?
tall oh I don't know teacher about 100
150,
and
like
and
150
for
centimeters
I
tall.
don't know for I don't know 140 or 50 about it about
So he's in grade seven.
uh, no teacher 12 5เดี๋ยว 57 12
He's in grade
he
12.
was
No, no,
no
no.
teacher he 12 year old
He's now 12 years old. Okay.
yeah
And what grade? What school grade is he in now? Like grade
uh,
seven?
7 teacher
Morning.
morning
Yeah,
yeah
because
7
Gamsa is in grade 11. Moha.
ม5 11
Yeah, right. And Mohawk 12, grade 12. Yeah.
yeah
So he's now like 12 years old in grade 7.
7
What's your son's name? I've never heard his name.
come here teacher
Well, what's your son name? What's your son's name? What's
name
his name? Yeah, name.
program
Program?
program his name is
Program.
program his name is program
Wow! Program and Gamsai.
yeah
You named him where his mommy named
K
him.
กอไก่หมดเลย teacher
Yeah, Gitti. Gamsai.
แกม
Program.
แกม
Gram.
แกม
Only gram or program?
โปรแกรม
Oh, Who named him? You?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
You named him?
yeah, yeah.
Oh, really?
And
That's why.
first name is
His first
có
name is.
is กอไก่กิษก
Oh, what
ร
is his
กิต
first name?
กิตติกิตยากิษกร
Oh, okay. Kitsagan is your
กอ
son's
ไก่
name.
family
Son's first name. Okay, family. Yeah.
yeah
ครอบครัว
yeah
ตัวกอครอบครัวตัวกอ Yeah.
yeah yeah
And
teacher
Gamsai's first name is Kritiya. กิตติยา
กิ
right?
กิตยา
กิตยา Okay, กิต
yeah
ยา กิตติกิตยา กิษกร
yeah yeah yeah
ค
yeah
รอบครัว
teacher
ตัวกอ
yeah
Yeah.
teacher
Lovely. And like your name, all of their names, you named all of their names. I mean, your kids' name.
yeah yeah teacher
Okay, you named them yourself, not like not the mommy
yeah yeah no
or a monk
my
from
my
a temple.
first name for
Yeah.
first name come from my idea
Oh, okay. So your
and
kids, your children's first names come from your idea.
yeah 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 yeah
Totally
and
come from your idea.
yeah yeah my idea
And what about
and
their nicknames? What about yeah?
nickname from me and my wife
Oh, like
together.
Gamsai and program.
Yeah, 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 teacher.
Yeah. All right. And what's your wife's name? I hope she's not her name is not Gig.
No, no, no. My wife's name Pear,
คุณแพร
Pear,
right? แพร
Pear,
Oh,
and first name, her first name, her first name. Oh, I don't remember her first
yeah,
name.
yeah, yeah. คุณเกเต your wife. I'm gonna tell her.
อัจอัจอัจอัชราพรชื่ออัชราพร
Okay, because you don't usually call her Attarapon, right? You
yeah,
usually
yeah,
call her like Pratirak, like
Pear.
that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
e Pear.
But you know, like your wife is lovely. She can
Ah,
cook a good food for you, right? She
yeah,
always
yeah,
cook like gang leung for you, like
yeah, yeah,
delicious southern food.
yeah, yeah. And
Southern curries, yeah.
this morning he cooked a noodle for me, fried
Oh,
noodle for me, fried noodle.
she can cook
Uh,
noodles too.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Wow. So let's say she can make like a lot of dishes.
yeah.
Yeah,
She like to
wow.
she like to cook every day, teacher.
She loves cooking, let's say.
She love cooking.
Yeah. Oh, you're lucky. So
Mm,
I believe that she's a good wife, housewife, and a good cook as well. Yeah.
yeah,
You're lucky that you have the
mm,
prayer as your beloved wife. Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. And what's your favorite food from her cooking? What's your favorite food
Yeah,
from
yeah.
her cooking?
I like it. I yellow
Yeah,
curry
oh, yeah, you
and
told me yellow curry.
yeah, yeah. But another food I like uh แกงพริกอะที่เชื่อแกงพริกที่เป็นเผ็ดๆอะ
Chili curry, yeah.
ชื่อชิลลี่เคอรี่
Yeah. Oh, yeah,
ก็
I love
ชิลลี่เคอรี่ sometimes she put a chicken and
it depends
sometimes
on
he
what
put a
meat she
pork
put.
she put
Sometimes she put pork or sometimes she put chicken, right?
yeah she put chicken of
Which one do you
and
prefer?
and
Beef. Yeah. You
pork
don't eat beef? No, because you
yeah
never
yeah
tried
yeah
it.
yeah teacher
Yeah, yeah.
I don't eat beef
I used to not eat beef at all when I was young or when I was with my parents.
yeah
But after I got married to my husband, กินแม่งหมดเลยดอก Now I can eat beef and I find it delicious. Yeah, right. Okay. But Kukiti, you usually eat seafood. You can eat seafood, right?
Yeah. I like
Any
seafood.
kinds of
I
seafood?
I like seafood too, teacher.
Yeah.
Squid,
Yeah, I love squid. I love
squid and
mussels. You know,
shrimp.
mussels. หอยหอยแมลงภู่ mussels.
มัน
I
มันจะ
love
มันใน
mussels
ผู้
as
ลวก
well.
ลวก
Yeah, like yeah, right, like boiled.
boil
Boiled
or
mussels, a cooked or
boil
boiled
pucho
mussels.
boil pucho
Yeah,
and
my first
shrimp
seafood. Yeah,
shrimp
shrimp,
shrimp
prawn.
shrimp
Yeah,
shrimp
right. Yeah, I can eat actually almost every kind of seafood. Yeah, but I don't like it uncooked. You know,
mm-hmm.
like clam หอยอะไรที่เขากินแดงๆเรียกว่าอะไรนะคะหอยกาบ
หอยแครง
อ่ะ
อ๋อ
หอยแคร
เอ๊ะ
งนั่นแหละ
หอยแครงที่เอาไว้ลวกนะ
I don't eat that like because there's a lot of blood because they just boil it a little bit so it's still kind of raw it tastes so raw and
รอดิบใช่ไหม
like
ดิบ
bloody yeah dip but they just put it in the spicy seafood sauce
yeah
yeah but when it's combined with the sauce the sauce become a bit red
อืม
from the blood of the clam หอยแครงนั่นแหละเขาเรียกว่า the
yeah
clam
oh my
I don't eat
my
it I think it's fishy มันเหม็นคาว
my my son love to
loves
eat
it
ball seafood พวกซีฟู้ดลวกๆteacher and with ball seafood with seafood sauces
yeah with seafood like spicy
he
seafood
he
sauce
he,
right
he likes seafood sauces
oh yeah I love it too
yeah
oh wow yeah so he
he likes
likes to eat
spicy
spicy food
he likes spicy seafood
oh yeah wow
so yeah
how about Kem Sai did she like to
no
eat
no
something
แกม
spicy
แกม
or
แก้มใส่ like to eat
something bland
or
dude
original เป็น original touch original taste
oh okay so she doesn't like it too spicy at all I guess
yeah she
just like something
sometimes
original
she put a chili a bit in the
uh
noodle
oh she can just eat like a little spicy food
yeah and
yeah not too spicy
when she went to Japan last time
yeah
she don't put everything on the noodle
oh she just ate it originally yeah
yeah original
so she kept things originally
and
original
and
yeah
I think the noodle of Japan taste
the
is
Japanese noodles you mean
it it
Japanese
is
noodle
it's salty ที่เชื่อ salty เค็ม
yeah
มันนิดนึง
salty yeah a
yeah
little
yeah
salty yeah
the original นะที่เชื่อ
yeah
I
I
think
think
it's salty
I think Thai noodles are the best
yeah teacher I think so
yeah
I like
right
I like Thai noodle and I like to put something with myself
yeah right especially I love to put some chili powders and
sa
vinegar
and
I love to put
เย็น
a
ๆ
lot
น้ำ
of
ส้ม
vinegar
ไว้ไว้ในกล่อง
ใส่ชู
ไว้ในกล่อง
I love vinegar with
yeah
a lot of what is it called chili powder and I
I
also put the some pepper powder a lot of pepper powder
yeah
too
yeah I
yeah
I people like sour from lamb ที่เชื่อ lamb มะนาวอะครับ
yeah
ที่เชื่อ
yeah oh from lime
from lime
oh you prefer the sour you prefer it to be sour from lime
from lime
lime yeah
lime yeah
I love lime too, but I think it's just too sour. I think it's too strong. For
yeah
if I want, yeah, when I put it in noodles, I prefer to put vinegar rather than lime.
yeah
Yeah, but I just put lime basically in my ginger drink. I usually
mm-hmm.
have it before I go to bed. I think it's a healthy drink. Yeah, you can
yeah
try it. It's good. After you wake up in the morning, you feel fresh.
yeah
Yeah, because I try to just get like to drink warm ginger drink with lime at bedtime. Yeah,
no teacher after I wake up
yeah.
I have some water for
Yeah.
อากาศประมาณ
A
แก้วหนึ่ง a
glass
glass
of
of water
water.
a
Yeah, a
glass of
glass of
water
plain water. Yeah.
a glass of plain water before
Yeah. To
before
start the
I
day.
before
You go to the
I take a
bathroom.
shower
Yeah,
yeah
right. Yeah, that's a good thing because I heard that the first water that should come into your body, it should be
yeah
plain water.
yeah teacher
Yeah. Yeah, I try to do that as well. I try to do it, but not every day. It depends.
yeah
Yeah.
and now teacher I like to drink I like to drink water not not cold water teacher about
Yeah.
แบบน้ำดื่มธรรมดา
น้ำอุณหภูมิ
เลย
ห้อง
อ๋อ no ผมมอง yeah teacher
Yeah, like you prefer to drink um plain water with room temperature.
yeah
Yeah, with the room temperature. Yeah.
yeah
I
room
try to
temperature
avoid like cool water. I try to avoid drinking cool water as well. But I can do it just for sometimes, you know. I basically go for cool water.
yeah
Yeah. But when it comes to me wanting to get healthy, I usually go for a ginger drink. Like at
mm,
bedtime, yeah, before I go to bed, I make some ginger drink for myself and my husband.
mm,
And so I can wake up like feeling fresh, you know.
yeah
Yeah. But I just want to make sure because since I have a diabetes, you know, a diabetes, right? Yeah. So a diabetes,
diabetes
diabetes.
diabetes
Yeah,
it mean
diabetes. It's เบาหวาน
เบาหวานเอาเดี๋ยวเบาหวาน
Yeah.
diabetes
Since I have a diabetes, so I try to go for something like no sugar, like ginger drink, like 0% sugar, you know, or
yeah
0% sweet. Yeah. I
yeah
try to do that all the time, like before I go to bed, you know. Okay.
อืม
And Queen, do you have a healthy drink for yourself, like a regular a healthy drink for yourself? Do you have one?
no teacher I I only have wa cold water นี่แหละ
Mm,
and
yeah,
I
okay.
I don't have any drink for my health
Yeah. Yeah, all right. Only water? Plain water?
yeah plain water teacher I don't
Oh,
uh uh and for my kids I have a milk
you have milk?
and
You prepare, yeah,
milk
you prepare
and
some milk for them, right?
yes
Cow's milk or
some
soy milk?
uh uh
Do
soy
you
milk
prefer them to drink soy
so,
milk or cow
soy
milk?
milk soy milk
Yeah,
teacher
soy milk is good.
and vegetable น้ำผักกับผลไม้ที่
Oh,
wet
veggie. Yeah.
veggie
คำว่าผักเราใช้คำว่า veggie ก็ได้แทน vegetables
veg
เลย Yeah.
veggie
Yeah, just like veggie juice, right?
yeah veggie juice or
Yeah.
juice
Fruit
or
juice.
blueberry อะไร something that
Fruit juice,
like that
right?
yeah
Yeah,
yeah
yeah, yeah, yeah. Juice and milk are good, you know, for
yeah
kids. For
well
yeah, for us.
yeah
Yeah.
my wife take my wife take some veggie and soy milk on the in the refrigerator
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah, yeah.
for my kids and uh I talk to her about avoid
Try to
Coca-Cola
you
avoid
tell her to
Coca-Cola
avoid, yeah.
yeah avoid to drink Coca-Cola
Like a
for
frizzy
my
drink.
kids yeah because
Yes.
my son when my son
Come back from school.
stay in my house uh he like to drink Coca-Cola a
Oh,
lot
when he's home, he loves to
yeah
drink Coca-Cola.
yeah teacher
Oh,
and I tell him to avoid Coca-Cola
to avoid drinking
and
Coca-Cola.
and drink whiskey instead
Yeah, and drink like veggie or fruit juice instead. Yeah.
yeah teacher
It depends on the parents is prepare for the kid. So it depends on us, like what we just prepare or provide them in the fridge, right?
Yeah, teacher.
Yeah.
And I have a lot of chocolate uh uh chocolate chocolate on my client. And my client like to give me about chocolate from Russia, from
Oh, they love
US.
to give you like a gift, like a chocolate bars or chocolate like
Ch-
present, yeah?
yeah.
A
And my
chocolate
kid like
box.
and my kid like that because it is not
It's
it
not too
doesn't
sweet.
have in Thailand. It doesn't have in Thailand.
Oh, it's
Yeah,
like imported. Yeah, imported
yeah.
chocolate.
Uh, yeah. Because my client come go to their city, and
Oh,
when they come back to
when they come
Thailand,
back,
uh,
yeah, they
yeah.
have a
He like
souvenir for you.
yeah,
Yeah,
teacher.
like a souvenir or
Some
a gift.
client,
Yeah,
yes, some client like
like
to
foreign clients, right?
yeah, teacher.
Yeah, they are kind. They are nice and kind to you because you are nice and kind, Kongiti. So that's
Yeah,
why you deserve good things. So that's
yeah,
why you always get good things from your clients, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
teacher.
Okay, I see. Yeah. And how about Kongiti, what is your favorite healthy food? Like when you feel like, okay, you want to eat something healthy, what is your
Healthy.
favorite one? Yeah. What is your favorite healthy food? It must be
Healthy
healthy,
food.
okay? Yeah.
I don't know I don't know น้ำชุบอะทีเชอร์ภาคใต้นะทีเชอร์รู้จักไหมน้ำชุบอะ
Namchu. No, I've never tried that. Never heard of it. What is namchu? It's a dessert.
กินกับกินกับผักอะที่เจอเวลาร้านข้าวแกงแบบไรซ์แอนด์เคอรี่
Yeah.
จะมีน้ำชุบกับผักอะที่เจอมาให้อ่ะปกติค
Namchu.
นใต้เขาจะชอบกิน
Namchu.
เนี่ย
I've never heard of it and I
อ๋อ
never tried that. But I
เนี่ย
guess as what you said, is it like nampik kapi?
น้ำพริกกะปิประมาณ about it yeah about like that เจอ
Yeah, as a chili, nampik kapi. Chili เคย
and
มันใส่เคย
and โซตีนิดเนี่ยใส่เคยกะปิอะที่เชอร์
อ่า
เนี่ย
เอะใส่
แล้วก็
น้ำพริกกะปิ
มี
ไหม
and ลามเอ้ยลามใส่มะนาวเป็นเอา
and you
กลิ่
put
น
a little lime
อันลาม and ไอ้นี่ด้วยที่เชื่อเอ่อมะขามมาที่เชื่อมะขาม
อ๋อ
ใส่
tamarind
มะขาม
tamarind
เทมปูรินน้ำมะขามมาแล้วก็
tamarind
แล้วก็
tamarind
บีบเทมปู
huh
ริน
you put
in a
some tamarind too
เย่เทมปูรินที่มันสุกแล้วว่าที่
tamarind คุณกิติถ้า tampolin มันจะเป็นที่เด็กกระโดดที่ออก
เทมปู
กำลังกายอันนั้นมัน
อ๋อ
tampolin อันนี้คือ tamarind
เทมมารีนเทม
tamarind
มารีนเทม
tamarind yeah
เทมมารีนเทม
อ๋อ
มารีนที่แบบสุกแล้วว่าที่เชื่อเทมมารีนสุกแล้วอะ
oh the rib
เย่
one ribbon
เย่
one
เดี๋ยวแล้ว
ribbon
เขาไป
also
ตากแห้ง
ribbon one
ตากแห้งที่เชื่อตากแห้ง
Oh, never tried that. Never heard of
เย่
that before.
มัน
So
มัน
it's
อิ
like
ด
so you first
ลูกไล่
have
อั
the
ดลาม
spicy shrimp paste, and you add some lime and some tamarind, right?
Yeah, teacher.
Oh,
Lamb and tamarind is the same taste, is the same taste. คือรสชาติคล้ายๆ
มัน
กันแต่ว่ามัน
sour.
sour and แต่ว่ามันจะมีกลิ่นsmell different smell อะไรประมาณเนี้ย
Yeah,
teacher different อ่าอ่า different taste a bit นิดนะ teacher แล้วแต่คนช
yeah.
อบ yeah
Yeah, it
and
depends.
and and when I was young teacher I
Go
like to
ahead.
I like to eat nam chup every day
Oh yeah,
with
but it's
with with
healthy. It's healthy
with
food, right?
yeah with ball vegetable ผักต้มผักสด
Oh, okay.
fresh
Boil
อ่า
vegetables.
boil vegetable
Yeah.
and fresh vegetable ผักต้มแล้วก็
Yeah.
ผักสด
The green vegetables and
green
green and fresh
yeah
vegetables. Yeah,
green
not
and
cooked,
red
not cooked or
yeah
boiled. Yeah,
teacher
yeah. Which do you prefer? Uh, boiled or maybe fresh and green vegetables? You like it
uh,
boiled or you not
with
boiled?
I prefer boil
You prefer
vegetable
boiled vegetables?
yeah
Why?
uh well,
You think it's
it
more
well,
delicious?
it
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 tastes
it
better?
only it's I think the it's
It tastes better?
easy
Yeah.
to eat and มันแต่ว่ามันก็ some vegetable
It
นะที่เชื่อไม่ใช่
depends,
ไม่
Ron,
ไม่
right? It depends.
yeah, it's some
Like
vegetable I like
like cucumber and a cucumber, แตงกวา.
แตง
You
กวา
might
no
love
no
to you may like to eat it fresh and green, not boiled.
yeah ที่เชื่อแตงกวาเนี่ย I
กิน
like
สด
แบบ green
like it green
vegetable
and fresh. Yeah.
yeah green fish
Yeah. Yeah,
I
me
like
too.
มะละกอ banana
Oh,
boil
มะ
banana
มะละกอ papaya.
papaya boil papaya
Oh, especially in แกงส้ม.
no ที่เชื่อboil พัทยาboil banana เอ้ย papaya boil papaya eat with น้ำชุบที่เชื่อ
Oh, really?
yeah
Like boiled papaya, I've never. I haven't eaten like boiled papaya for a long time,
yeah
except when it's cooked in แกงส้ม. I love it.
แกง
Yeah.
ส้ม with shrimp yeah
With
yeah
shrimp, yeah, with
yeah
shrimp, yeah. But I usually eat papaya when it comes to eating papaya salad.
นั่น
Yeah,
แหละ
but I just eat it green and fresh, like uncooked.
อืม
Yeah, right, unboiled, let's
มัน
say.
boil
Yeah. Oh, okay. So Namchup is healthy food from the south of Thailand?
yeah I think so teacher and
Oh,
people of southern people
like
of
southern
southern
people? Southern people?
like to eat that every meal ทุกมื้ออะ teacher every meal
Oh, yeah.
yeah teacher
It's a typical dish for the southern people, yeah?
yeah and
Oh,
น้ำชุบ can eat with hot rice ข้าวร้อนนะ teacher
oh,
ร้
I
อนร้อน
didn't know that.
and another curry กับแกงอื่นๆได้หมดเลย yeah
Oh, so you have like namchup as like a typical dish or maybe side dishes, right?
yeah
มันเหมือนเป็นเครื่องเคียงประจำเลยไหมคะ
เครื่องเคียงแล้วก็เป็น
ได้ไหม
เป็น
เราเราเรียก
อาหารหลัก
ว่าเป็นเครื่องเคียงได้ไหม
มันก็
หรือเป็น
มันก็เครื่องเคียงได้ที่เชอแล้ว
อื
ก็เป็นมื้อ
ม
อ่าเมนมิลก็ได้มื้อหลักก็ได้
Oh yeah?
yeah
Oh.
teacher because sometime I haveน้ำซุป with boiled vegetable and green and fresh vegetable with some soup some soup อะไรนะสักอย่างก็อยู่ได้แล้ว
Oh, so only just
easy
chili
easy
paste? Yeah. Like chili paste, like spicy trim chili paste and vegetables. So
อืม
like kind of let's
yeah
see
yeah
like main and typical dish for the southern people, yeah?
yeah
Yeah, and with the
อ่า
plain
in the past
rice.
teacher น้ำซุป is a uh main food for
Oh, in the
for
past, namshup
people of
was the main
southern
food.
yeah in the past
Yes, the
yeah
main food for
it's
the
southern
southern people,
because
yeah.
in the past teacher uh in the past don't have ร้านข้าวแกงไม่มีนะที่เชื่อเมื่อก่อนเขาไม่ได้ขายกันนะเขา
Mm,
because people of Thailand like to eat food
some
with their house in คือกินข้าวใน
like
บ้านอย่างเดียวเลยไม่กิน
yeah,
นอกบ้าน
like most of the people love to just eat indoors or eat in at their house. Yeah,
yeah
yeah,
yeah
to
yeah
eat,
teacher
eat at home. Let's say eat at home.
yeah
Yeah, in
yeah
the past they prefer to eat at home.
yeah
So
yeah teacher
easy to like to eat as well, like because when you eat them too, maybe you need to use your hands, right?
yeah
Yeah, just like get the vegetable dip with the paste, the chili paste,
yeah
right?
yeah
Dip,
teacher
dip, jum, dim, jum.
and Dim Tum and yellow curry is a famous in southern too.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
yellow
yeah,
curry,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yellow curry.
Ooh, wow, okay. So I gotta try it when once if I have a chance again to go
Yeah,
to
and
forget, like take a vacation.
but teacher, yellow curry is a different taste each
In
country
each
เอ้ย
region,
each city มัน each
yeah.
city นะที่บอกคือแต่ละ
So the
แต่ละ
test just different from each region to region, right? From each
yeah
region. แล้ว
yeah
แต่
yeah teacher
เข
yeah
ตแล้วแต่ที่ in
yeah
each city too.
yeah yeah
So
teacher
how about the yellow curry in Phuket? What does it taste like?
oh it's I think Phang Nga and Phuket it's same taste
Oh,
รสชาติค
okay.
ล้ายๆกัน
The taste of the curry just tastes the same thing or taste similar in Phang Nga and Phuket, right?
yeah but
Oh,
Phuket have local food about Chinese teacher in the past คือเป็น
in the
เป็นอาหาร
past,
อาหารจีน
the
แบบ
local
โบราณ
food
โบ
was
ราณ
kind of, yeah, but the combination between Thai and Chinese food.
yeah
How
but
about Hu
but
Hong? I love it. So
yeah
it
อ๋อ
is very
หมูหม
famous
อ is a
and
famous
popular in
in
Phuket.
yeah teacher
You know, I just knew this kind of food like Mu Hong from Lan Tu Kap Khao, like Tu Kap Khao restaurant.
แอะ
Yeah, it was so good.
yeah teacher
Yeah. Can your wife cook Mu Hong?
อ่าหมูฮ้องis at uh, a lot of restaurant because it are famous in it a
Yeah,
famous food of
it's
southern
famous and popular food. Yeah,
popular food in
among
southern
like tourists and foreigners, right? Yeah.
teacher is have in Korea
Korea,
Korea in a
Phuket.
middle of city
Is it next or maybe in the same area as Tu Kap Khao, right?
yeah teacher
Oh,
Korea is near nearby walking street
oh, walking street.
walking street teacher
Okay.
is a middle of city and Korea is a famous from foreigner and tourists to try to eat local food
Oh, so
in
Korea
Phuket.
is also popular among foreigners and tourists as well.
Uh, yeah.
Yeah,
I
because
I
it's not too spicy, right? For this one.
yeah I no it's local tasty
Is a
รสชา
real
ติแบบ
local test.
yeah I
Really?
I had I had to Thai for a long time and uh uh but it's expensive more more than the restaurant
Oh yeah. So
another restaurant
Korea is the most expensive restaurant in Phuket. Is it even
yeah
more expensive than Tu Kap Khao, right?
and and they accept only cash only cash เฉพาะ
Mm.
เงินสดด้วย
No
for a
transfer.
long time this year for a long yeah for in the past and now
Mm.
I don't know what happened about
Yeah,
I
right.
think maybe
Well,
I think
okay. Okay,
it I
maybe
think
the change.
yeah
Mm-hmm.
they accept
The transfer
transfer
money.
with phone or credit card
Yeah, maybe, yeah.
about that
Okay. What was the name again? Raya, right?
Raya
Raya, but it's not away.
yeah
It's kind of same area as Tu Kap Khao, right? Tu Kap Khao
yeah
restaurant.
yeah teacher
Oh,
middle of
Krua
city
Raya. Okay, in the
yeah
city.
yeah
Oh, okay. But in the city, like the city center of Phuket, I really hate one thing, like a traffic jam, and it's hard to get a parking area, a parking space. Yeah.
yeah
Yeah, the
enough
last time I went
it's
to eat, yeah, in Tu Kap Khao restaurant, it took me like half an hour to get a parking space,
yeah
until I had to pay for there's a man taking care of the parking space.
and
So I
yeah
paid I paid him
munis
50
mun
baht something.
yeah municipal official
Oh yeah?
yeah
I don't think he's an
เป็น
officer.
เจ้า เจ้าหน้าที่เทศบาลใช่ไหมที่
Oh yeah. No, 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 no,
municipal
no.
official
No, that time the guy I met was not an officer. He's
yeah
just a general guy, but he asking for 50. It's at 50 baht. So I clear all the space for you. I say, okay,
อ่า
here you go, 50 baht. So I get the space for parking. So I
อื
just
ม
could go enter the Tuk Kap Khao restaurant.
อืม
Yeah. Yeah, actually
and
the restaurant was not so big, was not that big. But
not
the
yeah yeah
they
not
yeah, but it
it,
was so crowded, it was crowded.
yeah
Yeah, full of people and tourists and also like foreigners, lots of foreigners too. Yeah. And
yeah yeah
the waiter and the waitresses, they wear a uniform, like traditional uniforms. Yeah, right. Yeah.
อ่า
Now, and how many times have you been to Tuk Kap Khao restaurant? Could get how many times have you eaten there?
no so I never used to eat
Oh,
ตู้
you
กับ
have
ข้าวที่
never. Oh, you say,
yeah
I've
yeah
never
yeah
eaten at Tuk Kap Khao. I've never
yeah
eaten.
yeah yeah yeah
Oh, why you don't like it? Maybe the
no
test.
didn't sometime I like to
I
try
think
to eat
maybe it's popular only for tourists and foreigners or visitors, not local people. Because
yeah.
basically, I feel like local people don't really go to that restaurant.
because
ทำไมอ่ะ
in the
ฉั
eat
นที่สัง
in
เกต
the
ว่ามั
eat
นแบบถ้าเกิดเป็นคนในท้องถิ่นเขาจะไม่ค่อยไปร้านนี้ร้านนี้เขาจะดังในพวกดาราพวกนักท่องเที่ยวเป็นคนอื่นอ่ะ outsider อ่ะทำไมอ่ะคุณนิติ why
I don't know teacher
but what I said is right from
it
my
okay yeah
observation
mm,
it's right
mm,
yeah yeah
yeah I
so you guys like local people like you guys as local people so you guys prefer to go to or to eat at Raya restaurant ระยะปะวะ
no teacher I think the local people don't the local people
can
uh,
cook.
uh didn't like to try local food because he
Oh, because you
he
guys can cook.
yeah เพราะว่าเขาได้กินอยู่ตลอดอยู่แล้ว teacher เพราะyeah
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, I know because you guys can cook like the local food as well, so you kind of get used
yeah
to
yeah
it.
yeah
Yeah.
yeah
But when
teacher
it comes to
and
like the outsiders or maybe the visitors or tourists, like we rarely eat that kind of food. We don't know how to cook it, and
yeah
it's not
it
easy for
same
me to get the kind of food like in my
it
local area.
it's a same me teacher we when I visit to another city I
Mm-hmm.
like to try local food at there
Yeah, exactly. Maybe same thing. Yeah.
when I go to when I went to Nakhonศรีธรรมราช province
Yeah.
I like to eat some food at Nai Nang Nai Nang restaurant
Nai Nang. Is the
Nai
name
Nang
of the restaurant.
restaurant
Nai Nang, right? Nai Nang.
เหมือนหนังตะลุง
Uh,
อะที่ชื่อ Nai Nang
oh, Nang.
yeah
Okay. Nai
เออ
Nang. Okay.
yeah Nai Nang restaurant
What
oh
kind of
it
food do they serve?
it's a have oh it's heavy tasty รสชาติแบบเข้มข้นมากที่ชื่อ heavy tasty ไปที่
Oh yeah, Kim Kun
it's
strong.
heavy taste
Strong.
oh
Strong.
strong tasty it
Uh,
is uh very spicy เอ้ยไม่
spicy.
much
Yeah.
much spicy
Yeah,
yeah
much
teacher it's
spicy.
a sweat of
It makes you sweat like all over your face, right? Yeah.
yeah
So when you eat it,
yeah
it's
yeah
so
teacher
hot and
yeah
spicy
uh
that you sweat all
it
over your
it
face
same
and body.
it
Mhm.
same I go it same I eat
You
yeah
go
it same I
running,
go
go
running
jogging. So you like that? You like the test?
yeah
Like strong
yeah
test? Yeah.
yeah
Okay.
yeah
So
but it's a
was it
strong tasty
what's the name of the restaurant again? Like Ran Nang, right? What's the name of the
นายหนัง
restaurant?
นายหนั
Nai
ง
Nang, Nai Nang. So
นาย
they only
นายหนัง
serve like
restaurant
southern food, yeah?
in
Nai Nang restaurant. Yeah.
นค
So
ร
they
ศรีธรรม
only
ราช
serve southern food. They only serve
yeah southern
local food. Yeah.
เอ่อซะSouthern local food ก็คือบ้าน
Yeah.
เขาเลย yeah yeah it
Oh.
it's strong tasty
Oh. If I have a chance to go there, like to take a
you
vacation there, yeah.
yeah yeah you cannot eat you cannot eat กับข้าวอย่างเดียวเลยที่เจอ you 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 have to eat with rice
Oh, okay. So you gotta eat it with
yeah
rice because it's too spicy, yeah, if I eat it
yeah
alone.
yeah 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 teacher
Yeah, I see. Yeah, I gotta try that. Is a big restaurant? Like, is a big restaurant
oh yeah
in
yeah big teacher big restaurant
and a lot of dishes, a lot of menus for you to choose from, right? Yeah, you can choose a lot of menu. Like they
yeah
provide a lot of menus. Yeah. Wow. Okay.
yeah yeah teacher
Yeah. If I had a chance to take a vacation, yeah, go ahead.
when yeah teacher when I apply to uh to the temple at there
Mm.
I will try to eat at Nai Nang restaurant
Oh, yeah, because you love to take
it's
your mom to the temple, yeah? Yeah,
yeah
because you
yeah yeah
usually
yeah
love to
to the
take your
temple
mom to temple, yeah,
sometimes I take
and
my family
yeah.
yeah and it have a lot of temple at in the Nakhon Si Thammarat province.
Yeah, okay.
It's a
See,
big temple teacher.
big temples? Wow, okay.
Big temple
All right.
วัดใหญ่ๆทั้งนั้น
Yeah, big temples. So that's why your mom loved to go there. Love to visit temples in
yeah
Akonsi, Tamarat, right?
นคร
Yeah.
ศรีธรรมราช
Yeah.
อืม
Okay, ka. All right, Kak Kungiti. I think it's already time. It's 1:03.
โอเค
Now tell me what you're doing
เย่
later. What you're doing later. What you're doing after this.
I will have lunch
Are you gonna have lunch? Okay.
but
So what you
yeah
gonna have
I
for
will have lunch
lunch?
with I think I will eat noodle at my camp
Oh, at the camp, right at the campsite. Yeah.
yeah and
Okay.
I will go pick up my I will go pick up my daughter at 4 p.m.
Oh, so today you're gonna go pick up or get your daughter from school at 4 p.m., right? Campsite, yeah?
4 p.m. Yeah teacher
Oh, okay. So you have to just have lunch and then work a bit and then leave for
Wh-
school.
yeah
Yeah.
teacher
All right, Kakangite. So I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, okay? And enjoy
okay
your
thank
lunch as well. Okay.
okay teacher
And I'll see you again on Friday, Ka.
okay teacher
All right, Ka.
bye
Bye
for
for now,
now
Ka. Take care,
bye for
Kakangite. Yeah,
bye for
thank
now
you,
teacher
Ka. Yeah.